singular nouns, plural nouns. Apple, apples. Generally, we make plural nouns by adding s in the end. Ball, balls. Cat, cats. Cow, cows. Watch, watch. Words those end with ch, sh, o, x, s or z. Generally, we make plural by adding es in the end. Watch ends with ch. So, we make plural by adding es. Bus, buses. Bus ends with s. So, we make plural by adding es. Mango, mangoes. Mango ends with o. So, we make plural by adding es in the end. Box, boxes. Box ends with x. So, it is made plural by adding es. Toothbrush, toothbrushes. Toothbrush ends with sh. So, it is made plural by adding es in the end. Fish, sheep, deer. Some words like fish, sheep and deer have no change to make plural. Fish, fish. Sheep, sheep. Deer, deer. Some words like tooth, foot and mouse are internally changed to make plural. Tooth, teeth. Foot, feet. Mouse, mice.